All right, here we're watching it from this side. I have to admit, my hands are shaking, but watch this coaster. This thing is crazy.
Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
It's amazing, this technology that you can start loading and move it over. It will be slow because there are any problems that it can back up a little bit. It launches you backwards. And that doesn't feel bad initially. But when you hit that escalation right there and you come back, that, oh my. And then right here, right there, it shoots you backwards more. And you get hung out to dry up there at the top. It is crazy. I took my hands off for 1 minute to, and that drop right there, oh my. You're just hanging in the air. It is crazy. Very crazy.
It was good. Okay. I think my favorite part's the first time.
All right. It's very steep around the back. You would think that the rest of it would be very mild and easy ride. No, it is intense. It is a tense ride. It is something else for sure.